We don't get resets. That's why every decision matters. A reset button would erase pain but also erase growth. Life is not a game, that's why it feels so real. Every scare is proof you survived without a reset. If life had a reset button, mistake would disappear but wisdom would too. If we could restart life, we would never learn to move forward. The hardest level create the strongest players. No reset means every success is earned. Pain teaches what comfort never can. Mistakes are the price of being human. The real power is not resetting, it is continuing. Allah Hafiz, I have life lesson notes in PDF format which I want to sell to you people who want to learn life hack and make their life easier. For more detail, contact me. Assalamu alaikum.